It's a Yamaha receiver, model number RXV367. Been come across a lot of receivers on the net, trying to find out how to fix an HDMI port. What I'm dealing with, or was dealing with, was a port where I'd stick in my connection and it'd be loose. It wasn't that the fact that the HDMI port itself was moving itself, it's just it was not snug at all. Found two things I had to do. One, I had to remove the cover, obviously here, and then an overview, spinning around, looking through here. Tension prongs on the top. You get these prongs here. Away from the wall is where you want to depress. Just the slightest, not even half a millimeter down on the area away from the prong, from the prong wall. You got one there and one there. Secondly, you got tension prongs on the bottom, where I used a safety pin. These are near the wall. You just stick the tip of the pin in and just move them ever so slightly up. Not even half a millimeter here and there. That helps with the increase of the tension that I was having a problem with before. Other precautions that you want to make is making sure, obviously, it's unplugged. You don't press too far with your tools, causing any damage beyond the tension prongs that you're trying to fix. Hope this helps people out.